I want to round out these cheeks now, so I'm gonna grab this forming slab tool and round out those cheekbones. So there's even less raking, less trenching that I have to do to knock off those edges. So there may also be a time when you want to square something off, like because maybe you're doing something that's like a robot or something where you need, or maybe it's like the Man in the Iron Mask and you want, I would like for this shape here to be more machine-like and square. So I can just run this over it, and I'm gonna get a nice hard corner on that side, and then a nice hard corner on this side. And it might tell you that you have to add a little bit of clay in order to have a full squared off area. You just add in that clay. And you can square that off this direction and make it more square. And you can go back and square it off the other way. So you just have a nice crisp right angle on your sculptures.